Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a Movie Queen, chapter 38. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Rantau. Right now, it seems that she was already ready. She can come back to film again. Tao, are you okay? Can you really come back to continue filming? After being discharged from the hospital, I rested at home for a few days. And I'm fine now. I'm glad you're okay, her friend said to her. Well, it turns out everything went well. By the way, I saw Shan Yue posted a photo of you too on his moments. She didn't do any strange things the day when she went to see you dancing, did she? Oh, well, of course, Shan Yue, she really do things. Right now, it makes sense to her friend. Of course, she will not tell her what happened. I also want to thank Wewe for the support after the curtain call she gave me. Right now, she remember what happened. And suddenly, it got stuck off. Wewe helped her so much. But back to the moment, Wewe did something. Well, definitely Wewe, sometimes she is really crazy. Of course, right now, she was too shy to tell her. Tell Rantau that Wewe is pursuing her. Well, let's wait on what will happen next, since relationship seems to be getting better. It's so windy here, let's go back to the hotel first. Is it windy? Where does the wind came from? Something's wrong. Rantau, Rantau. Right now, she was really thinking. Why suddenly her friend talking nonsense at this moment? Well, for Rantau right now, suddenly she screamed. Said to her something is wrong. Well, definitely Rantau really want to know what's happening. That's why looking at her, she seems to be eager. But of course, her friend, she will not tell her about Wewe. Janue looks like a decent person, but his head's full of silly things. Rantau, she really remembered that. Of course, she really know her best friends. Although right now, she remember clearly. There's something that really happened that I don't know about. Oh, right now, Rantau. She was acting like she's going to protect her friend. She know to herself that Wewe will do some crazy things, that's why Rantau, she really want to know what will happen. Well, on the other hand, it was Wewe. The other side, she was sneezing. Probably, she feels that Rantau is getting angry to her. Well, let's see how Rantau will punish Wewe. An agent of Tangwe's level would actively help me to prepare my luggage personally. At it was so complete. Oh, right now it turns out everything went well. Everything, it's already fucked. All she can do is to go out. How come? How come? Even preferred new underwear. Ah, right now. Antao, she seems to be puzzled. How the crew knows what her size. Well, definitely, they did ask someone that really knows her well. Why does Tang Ye think about I'd like this kind of underwear? And how did she know my size? Well, right now, Randao seems to be puzzled on what's happening. That's why right now, she want to know how did they know these sizes. But right now, suddenly her phone is ringing. And look at her, she seems to be scared of. Well, definitely, she was really scared. Right now, she should answer the phone. Who's the one who's calling her? Randao, suddenly, she was puzzled. What's wrong, monsieur? Did you see everything in the box? Monsieur told her. At this moment, maybe, they really go vacation on too far away. Since she seems to be busy speaking to someone. Right now, I happened to meet Suman this afternoon, so I asked her to help me prepare. Right now, Rantau seems to be surprised, of course. She remembers Suman's. She got really shy towards her, especially these things are really essential and also need to pack well. So those things were picked out for me by Suman. Well, definitely she was right. Everything is set up by Suman, including her luggage that full of accessories and things. Right now, Rantau, what? Why did Suman choose such underfunds for me? And my sizes? Rantau, Rantau. Well, definitely she should need to listen. Rantau at this moment seems to be puzzled on what's happening. Okay, thank you, Sister Ye. Rantau, she was really thankful if someone was helping her. After knowing what happened, of course, right now, she really feels so drained. Look at her, she suddenly falls down on the floor and acting like she was dizzy. Well, this girl, she's really cute. Although right now she's trying to hide herself. Of course, she can do anything but just to follow Suman's. Especially her father sent her to Suman so Suman can take care of her. It was mattering isn't just an underwear. I have to. Everyone has been a roof for so long, and it's normal to know. Still, she really can't believe it. That's why she was acting crazy. Antaw, a normal ghost. I don't know the size of Suman. Well, definitely. She always act like a cute things. Antaw, she was really funny, right? Although, she still can't believe on what's happening. Still, she really can't believe about it. Well, let's see. Seems that Tao Tao, she was really growing too fast and more beautiful since she thinks so many things. Right now, look at her. Ah, it was her who's imagining Suman. Live rain. It's all about the blame for Suman's underwear. Well, definitely, Rantau. She seems to be getting crazy. Well, when she noticed that someone was texting her, and now it really makes sense. Well, she should really see who's the person who's texting her. Turns out, it was sisters. You have a facial cleanser in your box, which is for Suman. Please help me deliver it. It's inconvenient for me. It was room 2199. Rantau, she seems to be. Cannot believe that she's the one who's buying these things. Rantau, on her mind, it was a big night. Go to Suman's room. Well, she's a little bit crazy. Of course. So everything will went well. See, maybe Rantau will surprise us on what she's going to do. Well, at this moment, she's really imagining that Suman is wearing something. Well, let's see. Her mind is really broad and real. Looking at Suman seems to be sad. On this moment, there's Rantau terms that she will look like this. Of course, Rantau, she looks really cute. And that cat outfit, well, maybe it's Bunny, but she really looked good at it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!